In this short video, we will provide a quick demonstration on how to set up and create BDD scenarios in Jira using Assert That, BDD Cucumber and Test Management plugin. We'll recap how to set up BDD features, then show you how to set up new scenarios and cover some of the handy tools and features of the plugin that improve quality and save time. Finally, we'll show you how to link the scenarios to user stories or any Jira issue type. We'll assume you've already installed the plugin. You'll need to enable it on a project by project basis from the project settings page. I'll quickly show you how to do that. Project settings, Assert That configuration, enable the project. When you've enabled it, you'll see this features tab here displayed on the left hand side. What we'll do now is start with adding a new feature. Click on Add Feature. So what I've done there is added a name and description for the feature. Click on Save. And we can see that my new feature is displayed here at the end. So we're just going to go straight into this and click on the feature title. So this is the page where we can start adding the scenarios and also add the feature details such as background name and background steps. Adding background name and steps is entirely optional, but we'll quickly add this as part of the demonstration. So you can start typing in your background steps. Alternatively, you can use the autocomplete functionality. So let's delete that. Type in a keyword. It has to be a minimum of 3 characters. Then use the shortcut. And I've now got a list of all of the steps which contain the word enable in them. So got details here of what the shortcut is. So depending on whether you're on a Windows and a Mac, it's going to be Option space or Control and space on a Mac. Just click on Save there. Okay. So now what we'll do is add our first scenario. Click on Add Scenario. We'll put in a scenario name and we can start adding steps. You can type them out, or you can use the autocomplete functionality again. Just click on Save there and you can see the new scenario has been added. I can continue to add new steps to it. Okay, just click Save there. Other things, you can add tags. Obviously these are key for organizing your scenarios and features. Over here you've got the option to set the scenario as manual or automated. Toggling it on and off there, it's saved as a tag if you actually came to download the feature here. Okay, other options here to add steps, you can use autocomplete. So the way this works is you just type in your key term and then you can just simply drag and drop the steps across. Okay, simple as that. Okay, click on Save there and untoggle there. So scenario outlines are a really good way of grouping scenarios together. For example, add scenario. So I've added my scenario name and my first step. Still showing up here as a normal scenario. We'll add a few more steps here as well. And I'm going to make the formatting of it not particularly pretty on purpose. You'll see why in a moment. So now I'm going to type in examples and start adding my table. Click on Save, and what you'll notice when I click on Save, this will be updated to scenario outline. I'll recognize that automatically. So not particularly nicely formatted, this scenario, so what we'll do is use the auto formatting functionality. Control Alt and L, and it's formatted it nicely. So we'll actually make this one a automated scenario. So another piece of functionality I wanted to talk to you about was the syntax validation. So I'll quickly go and have a look in the Assert That configuration page. This can be toggled on and off for manual and automated scenarios. So for manual scenarios, it's toggled off, and automated scenarios is toggled on. This is the default settings. It allows you then to jot down, scenarios and steps quite quickly without having the any syntax validation messages popping up. But obviously for automated scenarios, when the scenario is downloaded to your automation framework, it's key that it's correctly formatted, hence why we have it toggled on by default. So let's go back to the feature again. And what we'll start doing now is typing add a new comment, and that's fine. It doesn't throw up any error message or anything like that. I'm just going to change this into an actual comment, and we'll do something similar for the scenario outline. Notice we've got this as a automated scenario, so the syntax validation is switched on. So we just add a comment here, add new comment, and it's recognized that the syntax is incorrect for this one, so quickly turn this back into a comment, and it's corrected it. So click OK there. So we'll just talk about the search by tag expression now. So we've got two scenarios in here. So some organizations, typically will have up to 10 scenarios in a feature. We have seen examples where they've had many more than that, and that's why we added this search by tag expression on this screen. So what we'll quickly do now is just add another tag to this one here. Call this one criticals. And when we click in the search here, it displays the tags which are relevant to this page. So if we just click on criticals, there it's filtered it like that. Very simple. Okay, so one of the key benefits of the plugin over normal test management plugins is that you're able to see user story and the scenarios, the BDD scenarios, all on one page. Other plugins will have different issues for each of the test executions, the test plans, and it gets very tricky to get a single view of everything, just to help that collaboration. So how do we do that? So let's link the scenarios to a user story. So my user story is demo 1442. It's linked it. I can link it to many. I can link it to many user stories if I want to. Okay, so let's go and have a look at demo 1442. And here you can see you've got your user story, you've got the details here. As a new user, I want to create an account, and you've got your BDD scenarios here. We'll show you this page in more detail on the next video, but just to briefly cover it, you can select additional scenarios to add to this user story, and also you can add from scratch new features and scenarios on this screen as well as execution. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on the like button or leave a comment. That would be really appreciated. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@assertthat.com. We'll also leave a link in the notes as well if you'd like to arrange a demo. Thanks for watching.